Okay, so this is why my car sounds like an airplane. Here's the right side hub and bearing and everything. Doesn't wiggle, doesn't make noise. Here's the left side. It's so loose. That bearing is shot.